Well, good morning. We are on the cusp of seeing a winter storm moving through the area. Winter storm warning in effect for the Grand Strand. Winter weather advisories up for the PD. Snow will be moving in this afternoon. We're going to be staying cold for the next few days across our area. High pressure in control. That's really bringing in that cold Arctic dry air. That's the first ingredient you need. Second ingredient is some moisture, and that's moving in from the southeast around Atlanta back into Birmingham, Alabama. And so we get those two to come together. We could see a pretty significant winter storm across our area. Temperatures right now in the 20s, 28 Myrtle Beach, 27 in Conway, 25 in Florence, 21 up in Laurinburg. And here's the vast majority of these. South is under a winter storm advisory or a warning. You can see it extends from eastern North Carolina all the way down to San Antonio. So it is a big winter storm event out there. Horry County, Georgetown County, winter storm warning. Everybody else up in the PD under that winter weather advisory the impacts are going to be the same. We're going to see snow. You just won't see as much snow up in the PD. Here's our temperatures for today, around 32 at lunchtime. By this afternoon, clouds building in. Temperatures start to fall as that snow starts to fall to the ground. Futurecast showing us those cloudy skies continuing. By early afternoon, snow showers start to break out up along the border belt into the PD, and then everything starts to move into the Grand Strand. So notice this snow shower activity, but right off the coast, that is our sleet line. And that sleet line, as long as it stays out to sea, we should see all snow. But if that was to migrate a little bit back towards inland, that's where we could see some sleet mix in. So that's the only fine detail that we've got to figure out where that line sets up at. So we'll watch that today. Snow continues through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning before everything starts to clear out. But tomorrow is going to be a cold day. Temperatures will not get above freezing. 100% chance of snow for all of us here in the Grand Strand, even back towards Florence, 98% chance with that 1 inch of snow probability. 3-inch probability of snow, about a 66 to 70% chance. So you can see why the Grand Strand's under that winter storm warning, because we're expected to see more. Now I'm calling this our boom potential. This is about as much snow as we can get. This is our European model, around 5 inches, around 2 inches back into the PD, into the border belt. That's if everything goes right. Our GFS model showing around 2 to 3 inches here at the coast, which is at the top end of our accumulation map, and about an inch or so in the PD, which is kind of where our accumulation map is lining up. So here's what to expect. Most of us will see snow, but we could see a little bit of sleet mix in from time to time here at the Grand Strand. We'll have to watch that. Here's our snow line, 1 to 3 inches from Interstate 95 towards the coast. Once you get north of the Interstate 95 corridor, we could see a trace to 1 inch.
Here's Chris.